27日 Brandon Biggs 牧師喺 YouTube 發佈嘅影片，關於主向我啟示即將到來的隕石。
With the 7-year tribulation and all the things that we're about to see some radical things, radical, amazing things with Holy Ghost and fire like we've never seen it before. We've seen glimpses. The Lord said, you people have seen glimpses with Azusa, with Brownsville, with the Welch revival. He said, you have seen glimpses that lasted just for a window. But Brandon, what I'm about to do will pale in comparison to what is about to happen in these last days.
接住 Brandon Biggs 牧師提到，宇宙裏面即將有一顆巨大小行星逼近地球，科學家包括中國同美國嘅團隊正密切監控局勢。中國方面傾向嚴肅應對，而美國專家則相對較為輕視。然而，當權者擔心消息公佈會引發全球恐慌，因此選擇向公眾隱瞞真相。佢喺異象裏面睇到，除咗呢顆巨大小行星之外，仲伴隨住大量太空碎片，好似行星殺手咁樣呼嘯而嚟，形成致命嘅碎片牆，讓地球面臨前所未有嘅危機。而呢個異象正係日華牧師早喺13年前，即2012年4月喺2012信息裏面所預告嘅內容。啟示錄裏面嘅7年大災難，其實所有嘅天災都源自 Planet X 逼近地球所引發嘅效應。以下係接續2025年7月27日 Brandon Biggs 牧師喺 YouTube 發佈嘅影片，關於主向我啟示即將到來的隕石。
But then he said, I have to give you a warning about the plague. I have to tell you to stand and pray and tell the people that I'm coming. And he talked about Psalms 91, and you all heard that. But then I saw an asteroid, and he was talking about this telescope called Lucifer, and then he called it Satan. And I thought, this is a very demonic name. Of course, I'm not going to sit there and call it. I thought, am I hearing this right? So Satan, this thing is called devil? Like, what is this? So I saw this telescope in the Arizona West, and it is a massive thing. I saw a lens on this thing that was ginormous, and as I was looking at this, I seen men talking in like outfits, lab coats, right? Like white lab, like professors. I don't know how else to just say this, but they were writing down, and they said the odds are in our favor. The odds are in our favor. It's unlikely this will happen. China was involved, and they were communicating back and forth at what they were seeing coming. And China said, this is going to hit. This is serious. But the people in America were like, I don't know. I don't think so. But China was taking it serious. They were freaking out. I could see the Chinese men that were very looking educated men were calculating, and they were talking back and forth, and they knew something serious was about to happen, and we were not going to divert it. As I was looking over into outer space, I saw a massive rock headed toward Earth. And they said, we were not telling them because it will cause panic. We will not tell them, for will cause panic. But the odds are more in our favor that it will not happen. It will miss. But it will not. I saw other space debris by this major rock. Okay? There was a whole bunch of them. This was not small. This was not a small piece of rock. This was a massive piece of rock. I'm like planet size, like massive looking rock, like huge, okay? And the one that was beside it was smaller. But then the ones that they would consider, I would hear the word planet killers, were all behind it. Like bunches of them. And as this thing was moving, all these others, it looked like a debris field.
接住 Brandon Biggs 牧師分享到，世界即將進入末世產難時期，大自然將發生劇烈變動，導致全球各地出現以下現象：海水潮汐異常，潮位忽高忽低，波浪入侵更深，退潮更徹底。月亮引力同地球極移嘅異常交互作用，使大氣、磁場同晝夜長短出現異常。火山同地震頻發，地震嘅破壞力達9級以上，並且喺全球多地同時爆發。生態紊亂，植物、動物同鳥類嘅自然規律出現異常。此外，意大利威尼斯等地將遭遇前所未有嘅水患同自然災變。歐洲嘅火山活動將接連不斷，甚至印度嘅異教神廟同亞洲嘅佛寺等古老宗教建築都會因大地震而被摧毀。呢一切都唔單止係神嘅審判，亦預表住神嘅榮耀將以極大嘅能力進入人群，喺亞洲各地引發大復興。以下係接續2025年7月27日 Brandon Biggs 牧師喺 YouTube 發佈嘅影片，關於主向我啟示即將到來的隕石。
And the Lord said, watch the sun, watch your tides, for things are going to change and change quickly. Your water and your waves, the way the tides come in and come out because of the moon, things are going to start to shift like you've never seen it before. And your tides are going to start to act very strange like you've never seen it before. Tides were higher than average. They came in further than what they were supposed to. And when they went out further than what they were supposed to. I heard this and I could see it. Something was affecting the tides. This rock, something serious. The Lord said, watch the pressure on the earth, for a major volcano is about to erupt. But not only will it be one volcano, but it will be multiple all at the same time. I saw earthquakes more than like 9.0, like huge earthquakes, more than just one place. They happen multiple places at the same time. He said, I told you and I warned you that it would affect the sun's light and the way it shines upon the earth. For it will create different, the birds to want to migrate differently. It will cause the animals to breed differently because it's confusion in the camp for nature. They won't know when to fly south for the winter or go north for the summer, right? Things were acting weird. Animal and creation was acting weird. He said, even your agriculture of your flowering and your planting and things like that will even be thrown off with what's coming. I saw the I saw the pole and the way the earth was, it was shifting and it was moving different. And even your daytime will be different. The way the earth spins will be different. And most people say, well, it's a flat earth. I'm not going to argue about this. And for what I saw, it's around earth. And I'm telling you, even the sun will look different in the days ahead.
Biggs 牧師喺 YouTube 發佈嘅影片，關於主向我啟示即將到來的隕石。
In the days ahead, you need to hear me, because this is what I saw. The Lord said, look at Venice, Italy. And I could see the water in the city acting weird. And there was flooding, and there was a rise of the tides, and there was water events. That's what I'm going to call them. Water events are about to take place in Italy that have never happened before because of what's happening with our earth. Watch Venice, Italy, the Lord said. Watch Rome. Watch the volcano that's about to go off even in Europe. This will be an event that is not just in one of the Ring of Fire, but this will be a global event that starts taking place. Then I saw India. And the Lord said, look at India. For a lot of the pagan temples will be destroyed with earthquakes in the days ahead. I saw the glory of God coming in, and there was many harvest, I'm talking a major revival all throughout India, all throughout all of these, where there was monkeys. I saw monkeys on temples, old shrines completely decimated by earthquakes. I'm talking break down like the walls of Jericho. Those walls of these temples were completely decimated. I'm talking flattened like it was nothing there left, like rubble. And the Lord said, I will bring in my presence and I'm going to decimate those false gods and those false places of worship. And there will be a great revival throughout India, all throughout Asia, all throughout these places. I saw great Buddhist temples completely decimated for what's about to take place.
隨後 Brandon Biggs 牧師分享到，佢喺異象裏面睇到全球將面臨一場大騙局，即將有大量 UFO 出現喺天空，人們會相信外星人或飛碟降臨。然而呢啲只係邪靈操控嘅心靈幻象，而非真正嘅外星生命，目的係混淆全球，掩蓋即將發生嘅教會被提事件，讓世人誤以為係外星人劫持地球人，從而曲解神嘅作為。UFO 母船將出現喺梵蒂岡、瑪雅神廟等地，並分裂出滿天好似火球一樣嘅現象，迷惑世人。呢場全球性騙局將震撼人心，而背後則係敵基督勢力嘅預備工作，呼籲信徒要警醒，明辨真理，唔好被呢啲現象迷惑。而呢啲預言亦完全印證日華牧師多年嚟嘅信息分享。例如，早喺36年前，1989年6月11日，日華牧師已經喺加拉太書74不明飛行物體 UFO 裏面揭露撒旦同敵基督藉由 UFO 製造大迷惑嘅陰謀。以下係節錄內容。
點解佢哋叫佢不明飛行物體呢？因為佢哋唔明聖經啊嘛，所以不明呢啲飛行物體點解飛嚟啦。咁但係問題呢，喺聖經一早已經將佢哋嘅結構、佢哋嘅性能呢都記載咗出嚟嘅。邊個想知啊？我哋會睇到啦，以西結書第1章第4節，會盡心研究好多嘅重點呢，俾你有重新嘅一個認識。第4節，我觀看，見狂風從北方刮來，隨着有一朵包括閃爍火嘅大雲，周圍有光輝，從其中嘅火內發出好像光耀嘅精金。嗱，呢度講到就係咩啊？講到就係好多人見到飛碟咧，實見到好多光啊，或者一啲嘅嘢喺裏邊啊。咁為咗我哋想睇下呢啲嘅飛碟嘅性能咧，我哋睇下第15節。我正觀看活物嘅時候，見活物臉龐咧各有一輪在地上，輪嘅形狀和顏色咧好像水蒼玉，4輪咧都是一個樣式嘅，形狀和作法好像輪中套輪啊，即係一個輪套一個輪啊，係而家好多人形容嗰啲飛碟下邊嗰個推進器嗰個字眼嚟嘅。跟住佢話咩呢？至於輪網高而可畏，4個輪網周圍滿有咩啊？眼睛。有冇發覺人哋畫飛碟呢？畫咗個頂上面有好多圓嘅窗啊？發唔發覺啊？就係呢度所講。活物行走，輪也在旁邊行走。活物從地上上升，輪也乜嘢啊？上升。嗱，留意啊，佢呢度講話輪行走嘅時候向四方都能夠咩啊？第17節啊，都能夠直行。我相信大家呢度就解釋咗點解嗰啲飛碟會消失啊。原來呢，我可以俾大家知道呢，而家所講嘅 UFO 呢，其實就係天使嘅座駕居嚟。咁啊，天使要座駕居咁，唔係用翼入下飛嘅咩？我想俾大家知，邊個記得聖經講話神都有火車火馬嘅？天使都有去座駕居，而我哋親眼講天使坐呢個輪圓形嘅，所以人點解話佢飛碟？呢個圓形有圓窗喎喺上面，而並且佢係直線行嘅。嗱，留意啦，即係你而家對科學有少研究，你知道如果人類以直線向宇宙飛行呢，就可以進入另一個空間啊嘛。呢個就解釋點解飛碟會突然間消失，因為佢可以進入另一個空間噶嘛。佢唔係屬於物質界，佢係屬於靈界嘅嘢，係可以進入另一個空間。而呢度就解釋咗點解佢哋嘅性能會係咁啊？因為點解佢根本事實上所有科學家都接受就係喺地球上冇任何金屬可以做得到呢種嘅性能嘅嘢，有咁嘅速度，有咁嘅飛行，有咁樣可以進入另一個空間嘅嘢。因為點解？因為事實上呢種金屬唔係屬於地球，呢種係屬靈界嘅嘢嚟嘅，並且裏邊所有嘅嘢咧都係靈界嘅。所以呢個亦解釋點解所有飛機啊、車啊一接近呢啲飛碟咧，即刻點樣啊？死晒火噶嘛，全部唔喐得噶嘛。咁我問下你，點解好多時聚會嘅時候啲人行出嚟一為祈禱去 snake power 啊？即刻累咗喺度啊！因為原來靈界係乜嘢啊？靈界係駕馭喺一個律裏邊嘅，就好似等於飛機點解會飛啊？原因就係佢利用氣體流動學呢個定律，而係超越咗地心吸力嘅定律啊嘛。但係喺呢個宇宙當中，喺呢個地球當中，有乜嘢係超越自然定律㗎？ 靈界嘅定律，而佢哋係屬於靈界嘅，所以當佢哋一出現嘅時候呢，唔係佢哋能量大或者乜嘢，而係佢哋出現嘅時候喺附近所有屬自然嘅定律呢，係唔會轄制佢哋嘅，因為佢哋屬於靈界噶嘛。咁而基屬聖經俾我哋知道呢，就會有更多嘅機會，我哋會見到，所以點解就話佢嘅次數同密度越嚟越多啊？而家越近世界末日嘅時候，但係仍然咁冇解釋到點解佢會俾人睇到啊？應該特登鎖喺時間空間俾你睇到啫。我想有一點要俾大家知道，就係如果你而家所見到能夠有機會影得到相嘅所有呢啲嘅飛船飛碟呢，絕大部分都係嚟自魔鬼嘅。因為呢，我想俾大家知道呢，魔鬼想做嘅原因就唔係話短暫嗰幾年裏邊呢，使到你覺得好奇啊或者咩，佢係想喺永恆裏邊呢，喺你嘅生命裏邊呢，做下一樣嘢。因為聖經裏面我哋知道啦，撒旦最勁嘅兩樣武器，第一樣係讚美，第二係咩啊？欺騙。如果你能夠諗下佢冇乜嘢噶啦，見下架座駕居喺你面前現一現，即刻嗰個星球人啊冇上帝咯咁啊嘅時候就值得噶喎，係咪？所以佢就用呢樣嘅方法咧，使到好多基督徒甚至去參加嗰啲咩 UFO 會嘅，拎住個望遠鏡一日到黑咁睇住個星星咁樣。因為我相信我讀下邊呢個 case 嘅時候咧，你會更加清楚。因為原來 UFO 裏邊咧，唔單止好多人去話見過，而並且有好多人咧係親自上過呢個 UFO 上邊，甚至同過嗰啲人講過嘢。而嗰啲人最主要講嘅內容係咩呢？聽住咯。原來喺1917年嘅10月13號發生一件好震驚世界嘅事。當時最少有70萬人係目擊呢件事嘅。呢件事就係乜嘢呢？原來咧喺葡萄牙首都有3個細路仔，一個係10幾歲嘅啫，一個係9歲，一個係7歲咧。佢哋同時目睹一個天使坐住架飛碟嚟到呢個世界上面，而嗰個人就着住白袍嘅，個頭啊戴住白帽，而有金邊嘅。咁佢出現嘅時候就喺個橡樹旁邊嘅。咁佢出現嘅時候，因為嗰個地區啲人係信聖母嘅，所以以為佢係聖母。咁佢話佢唔係聖母，甚至喺嗰一次出現嘅時候呢，有幾次都教導佢一啲關於類似聖經真理嘅嘢，但係好多嘢係相反嘅。今次啲細路仔唔單止見過 UFO 啦，見埋上面企嗰隻嘢喺度啦。甚至咧，佢哋預言喺10月13號咧，佢會公開俾全世界睇，佢會喺天上降臨嘅。咁結果當然啦，啲報紙啊登到 believe 嚟啊，好多人嘗試去睇啦。而結果真係喺嗰日佢出現，當時有70萬嘅人，淨係現場都有7萬啦，圍住嗰個城旁邊咧都有成，另外有幾十萬人嘅。當時喺中間核心咧有7萬個無神論者、教會人物、報紙記者，當時甚至仲影埋相添啊！咁喺當時佢哋見到就係咩呢？見到就係話喺天空就開始落緊雨，啲人啲衫濕晒啦，諗住等佢嚟都唔知係咪嘅。突然間喺雲層有個好似太陽一樣咁光嘅嘢向下降落，全部眼即刻望住佢啦，發覺呢一個咁光嘅嘢原來係一個碟形嘅飛碟啊，而好清楚係見到嘅，而上面嘅顏色就好似水蒼玉，正我哋所讀到啦，不斷閃耀嘅，好似一隻彩碟一樣，不斷飛行旋轉嘅，而向下降，全部人都喊啊！當時因為好震驚啊嘛，真係見到真嘢啦，斷萬人去見到呢一樣嘢，而當時甚至有聲音嘅話，如果有光體喺天上顯現呢，就係世界末日來臨嘅預兆，就喺呢個飛碟上面播出嚟嘅。嗱，其實當時嘅發生嘅情況呢，之前就係點發生呢件事呢？其實就係嗰個所謂天使呢，向呢3個細路仔顯現，甚至呢有幾次教佢真理喎。其中一次佢講一個真理就係點呢？叫呢3個細路仔一齊跪低。嗱，有一個特別現象就係呢3個細路仔每一次見完呢個天使之後呢，就算見到好短時間，佢都覺得全身好攰。嗱，見到我曾經講過人被鬼附有呢個現象，其實嗰個係咪天使呢？其實唔係喎，嗰個係靈嚟嘅，係一個邪靈嚟嘅。但係點解唔係幻象？我仍然講話靈界係超物質界嘅，佢唔係幻象。佢同佢哋講嚟，聽住呢段說話喎。嗱，呢段有一橛係啱嘅，有一橛係錯嘅。聽住，嗰個天使講咩？我的上帝，我相信你，教佢哋禱告，敬拜你，盼望你，愛你。我求你饒恕那些不信你、不敬拜你、不盼望你、不愛你嘅人。問題喺呢度啦，呢度有一句說話係錯嘅，因為神一早已經饒恕佢哋啦。而家要嘅就唔係再哀神去饒恕佢哋，而係要呢一班人去認罪悔改啊嘛。嗱，呢度佢調轉咗，似乎到而家咧都仲未有救恩咁，明唔明啊？仍然求神去饒恕佢哋，但係主耶穌已經嚟過呢個世界啦。嗱，跟住甚至同佢哋有擘餅嘅聖餐啊，成個呢個天使嚟到。但係有一個好大嘅問題就係，佢好多次出現嘅時候所講嘅都係大話，而違反聖經真理嘅。嗱，我哋睇一段聖經咧，而家你明啦。我想大家見到加拉太書第1章第8節。嗱，其實原來呢啲係撒旦所派嚟咧，去俾人睇到之後咧，然後去相信佢，而導致乜嘢咧？睇下第8節講乜嘢。但無論是我們是天上來的乜嘢啊？我話你聽，以前係好古老嘅嗰陣時，唔係話29樓嚟嗰啲啦，天上嚟啊嘛，住得好高嗰啲，唔係啊，佢真係喺天上邊，即係唔理用咩交通工具嚟到。佢話咩啊？無論是我們是天上來嘅使者，若傳福音給你們，與我們所傳給你們的不同，他就應當乜嘢啊？所以下次如果你見到呢啲 UFO 咧，叫佢唔好走住，因為未咒詛完先，所以咒詛完先俾佢走，等我咒詛完先啊！所以嗰班細路仔應該點啊？對呢個所謂天使，佢唔係全同神所講嘅福音一樣啊嘛。
事實上，2012信息早已多次分享 UFO 大迷惑嘅信息， 以下係接續2025年7月27日 Brandon Biggs 牧師喺 YouTube 發佈嘅影片，關於主向我啟示即將到來的隕石。
And I asked him more, Lord, is this 2 flying saucers? Is this 2 alien ships? This deceit that's about to take place? It is false. It is demonic spirits. There is no such thing as aliens.
Brandon Biggs 牧師喺 YouTube 發佈嘅影片，關於主向我啟示即將到來的隕石。
You need to hear me. But there are going to be things in the sky that are going to scare everybody in the days ahead because people are going to go, oh no, E.T. really exists. No, it's fallen angels, it's demonic things. This is how they're going to explain away the rapture of the church. Well, I don't believe in the rapture. I don't care what you believe. It's going to happen. And I'm telling you, by the Spirit of God, you need to get your house ready. If you're not on fire for Jesus, if your heart's not serving Jesus, today's your day. You need to get right with the Lord. What's about to take place in the days ahead, you're going to see this. You say, well, how long? I don't know. I'm just here to warn you. I'm just here to warn you what's coming. I saw these major alien ship, and it flies over the Vatican, and it goes over the Mayan temples down in Mexico. And I said, Lord, is there 2 of these? Because I keep praying about this. And he said, no, it's just 1. And that's what's going to make everybody freak out because they're going to see it moving across the ocean. You understand? It's going to be something that's going to be on TV. It's going to move across the ocean. And people are going to freak out in the days ahead. Then I saw little bitty ships coming out of this mothership that were balls of light. And it wasn't a real ship. It was demonic looking light that was traveling around causing confusion in our skies. When the Antichrist steps on the scene and he says, hey, we have a solution for all the problems in the days ahead. I have peace. I'm going to bring peace. I'm going to bring in prosperity. I'm going to do all this. But all you have to do is bow your knee to me on Fridays. And you're going to have to get a chip. You're going to have to do all these things. But it's going to be a solution because we're going to take care of all this with AI. AI's got the cure to diseases. AI's got all of this stuff. We're going to fix diabetes. We're going to fix cancer. We're going to fix autism. We're going to do all these things through AI.
影片嘅最後 ，Brandon Biggs 牧師預言未來將有更大規模嘅新病毒席捲全球，殺傷力甚至超過新冠疫情，並波及畜生同寵物，造成全方位嘅生靈損失。呢場瘟疫好似中世紀嘅黑死病再現，帶嚟極大嘅恐慌同混亂。然而，神同時呼召佢嘅子民興起禱告，運用屬天權柄。教會唔應該陷入恐懼同被動，而係要主動興起，發揮禱告同屬靈能力爭戰，攜手守望並制止災難蔓延。佢提到，神將賜下一個警告嘅窗口期，讓教會喺災難來臨前預備好自己，並帶領更多人轉向神，讓神嘅榮耀同權能得以彰顯於世。以下係接續2025年7月27日 Brandon Biggs 牧師喺 YouTube 發佈嘅影片，關於主向我啟示即將到來的隕石。
And the Lord told me, He said, pray. They're going to try to get another major virus in the days ahead. I saw a major virus and the Lord said, raise up, pray, church. Pray that the glorious church rises. And they're going to be looking at us. They're going to be looking at us. Do you have a solution for this new virus? And we don't need to be handling like we did COVID. You can either hide in your church or hide in your house or whatever and be afraid of things, or we can be the glorious church and rise up and pray and take our authority over things. But last time people were caught off guard in 2019. I heard it 6 months in advance there was a major virus, but I didn't have a platform to warn everybody like I do now. And the Lord told me, I'm giving you a window, Brendan, pray and tell them that they're going to try to do it again. But this time it will be COVID on steroids.
校對呢一段精華短片嘅時候，日華牧師指出 ，Brandon Biggs 牧師預言將要嚟嘅下一波疫情會比過去5年嘅新冠疫情更為嚴重。其實當中已經暗示呢啲病毒係人為製造同散播嘅， 以下係2025年8月1日日和牧師嘅錄音分享。
呢一個其實你有冇留意佢講嘅時候個 direction？佢講明 Covid 就好，而家嚟緊疫症都係人為嘅啦。They going to do it again 啊嘛，由開始已經係講緊啦。其實從佢嘅 viewpoint 都睇見係人做出嚟嘅，所以我哋用嘅方法不嬲都係可以解決佢呢個問題。只不過出邊仲未普及啫嘛，唔好打疫苗啊、尼古丁貼啊，或者係紅藍機啊，全部都係解決晒嗰啲問題。
以下係接續2025年7月27日 Brandon Biggs 牧師喺 YouTube 發佈嘅影片，關於主向我啟示即將到來的隕石。
And it's going to be a whole different strand. It's a whole different thing. And I'm trying to warn you about this, that they have a plan in the future. It's not that far off. But not only will it affect humans, I saw it affecting cattle. It affects your pets. It will be something that I saw dead dogs everywhere. I saw cattle dead everywhere, birds, everything, because it wasn't just about humans. It was about livestock, everything. And it was spreading through everything. And it was like a plague like medieval times, like the Black Plague of Death. It was awful. But the glorious church, it was light in Canaan and it was dark in Egypt.